So we're gonna work on Chris's Jeep today. The knuckles, we're gonna replace them because we think Chris might have drove them too far for the 1-tons. You do have to take off these 3 bolts holding the wheel bearing. And those are 13 12 points. Don't use anything else but a 12 point or else you're gonna strip them. And put a lot of lube on there. So we use a slide hammer to take that off. And now Chris is removing the ball joints. Or the nuts to the ball joints. So far not bad, right Chris?
So far not bad.
Not bad. Just use a lot of WD-40. Hey, 1 second too late, but Chris got it out. Let's go. We had issues with the cotter pins getting stuck. So we just sent it. It'll be fine. The bottom one is always kind of loose. The top one's tight. Even new ones, they're like that. So that's good. That's fine. Make sure to clean the inside of that though. Gotta drill them out. Working though, so if your cotter pins get stuck, send it and then drill it out after. So we got the new knuckles on, and Chris, where'd you buy it from?
Amazon.
And how much were they?
$100.
So I have those linked down below. We got new cotter pins as well. It's better to put new cotter pins every time you take them off than reusing them. And if your ball joint is spinning, you gotta put some pressure on it. Should be good to tighten it. All right, so this is the fun part. This is a long side, so it's a little bit harder to get in, but you can do it. You're in. Just tap it in there with the hammer. You'll be good. And today, the day the video is uploaded, it is Chris's birthday. So comment down below, happy birthday, Chris, or go to his Instagram. I have it linked in the description. So make sure you go wish him a happy birthday. And be sure to check out NajarOffroad.com. We are stocked up. This month, we are doing an awning giveaway. So every dollar you spend is an entry towards the giveaway. It ends at the end of August, and we will be picking the winner September 5th on my Instagram. So be sure to check that out. Because they're pretty dirty on Chris's Jeep.
Wonder why.
So we got the 1-ton reamer right here. We actually are gonna start with the 5/8 reamer for the Heim joints because we have it, but you can use a drill bit. You need to make these a little bit bigger for the 1-ton reamer to fit. So when drilling for the 1-tons, you do not want to drill all the way through. Take it little by little and then check with the joint because it's easy to make the hole way too big and then you have to replace your knuckle. Okay, you see how we didn't go all the way through? And this is already fitting the ball joints perfect, so you do not have to use the whole thing. If you use the whole thing, the joints aren't gonna work how they should. We're checking with the spare one Chris has. We ripped the boot since it was already ripped, and you can see that it is sitting on there how it should. Enough for the cotter pin to go on. We are good there. We can put everything back together. We got it all tightened up, ready to go. We're only gonna do one side, test that out, and then we'll do the other side some other day.
My back hurts.
All right, so I'm gonna have Chris get in the Jeep and turn side to side just so we can make sure everything is good under here. And we'll take it for a little rip. Side to side. All right, I don't see anything loose, so we're gonna take it for a test ride. All right, so this is the usual spot where death wobble comes in, so we'll see. Stupid cars, man, going slow.
Hitting on the spots I get that.
Yeah, hit all the spots. I remember last time, like passing your house, there's that one dip. That one gave you death wobble last time. Way better, bro. All right, so we're gonna hit a spot where last time we got death wobble. We'll see what happens. It's up here around the corner. Yeah, right here. This one gave me a death wobble last time. Oh! Yo, high five. Be careful my burn. I did get burned. I touched a bolt as Chris was tightening it and it was really hot. So, whatever. We got it though. We got him. So we ended up fixing the death wobble on Chris's Jeep. One of the knuckles was just drilled out too much, so the hole was way too big. So the 1-ton was just like turning like this whenever he would turn or hit a bump, giving the death wobble. So now that we replaced it, it drives good. Unfortunately though, I think his power steering pump went out, so he has to replace that. It started like leaking, I think, all the oil that was in there. One more thing before we go. September 8th through the 10th, we will be at LS Fest with Boosted Motorsports. And the following weekend, we will be at Mo Party. These events are both at Bowling Green, Kentucky. So if you guys are in the area or around the area or already going to these events, make sure to check out the booth, Boosted Motorsports. We're gonna have a big old tent, so check it out. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.